12. In those days, he went to the mountain to pray and spent the whole night praying to God. If we think about this verse, why did Jesus pray all night and what happens by praying all night? Let us understand from this verse. Genesis 32:24-26. And Jacob was left alone, that a man come and wrestled with him till dawn. Then he said, let me go because it is about to dawn. Then Jacob said, I will not let you go until you bless me. From this verse we can understand that here Jacob was left alone. Some person started fighting with him, and when the dawn started, Jacob said, I will not let you go until you bless me. Here we can understand that the man was an angel who started fighting with Jacob. So Jacob asked him for blessing, and if we think that he could not be an angel but a man whom Jacob was asking for blessing, but we understand this thing from this verse that he was an angel was the man. Genesis 32:13. That Jacob named that place Peniel, saying that even after saying God face to face, my life was saved. We can understand from this verse where Jacob says that I saw God face to face, my life was saved. Because when an angel used to come to a prophet, then he used to identify himself in the name of God. Hence we can understand that he was an angel. Acts 12:6. When he was about to bring him in front of the people, that night Peter was sleeping between two soldiers to two chains, that he behold an angel of the Lord come and light shone. In that call he woke Peter up by striking his side and said, hurry up, and his chains were opened. From this verse we can now to why Jesus used to pray at night. As we saw in this case of Jacob, an angel come at night, blessed him and released Peter from prison at night, from which we come to now that God used angel at night.